This Century 21 United property video is presented by Judy Holland. Cute wood frame cabin with large front porch. Located close to everything in Minden, needs some TLC and no repairs done by seller, but a good opportunity to purchase a comfortable home on a quiet street. Nice size kitchen, large hall bath and second bath in rear bedroom. Total taxes in 2020 were $18. A few old sheds in the backyard could be used for additional storage. There is a bit of a driveway, otherwise parking on street. For more information, review the details below or contact Judy Holland at 318-349-6983.